put on those little glasses, and I'm Keanu Reeves from The Matrix. Who are ya, Keanu Reeves? Are we still in the simulation? Elevated Keanu. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to HellaJam. If you're new here, my name is Jamie and I post a video every Thursday, once a week. So if you're not subscribed yet, go on ahead and click that subscribe button. I'd love for you to join the family. Okay, I am so excited to be partnering up with SF Goodwill once again. If you guys can't tell from the title, I'm gonna show you everything that I got from San Francisco Goodwill's eBay store. If you guys aren't aware that they have it, they do, and it's so incredibly cool because they have amazing designer pieces that are secondhand, so you are helping the environment. It's like a fully curated vintage shop all online, and it's on eBay, so you can bid, and it's kind of like thrilling and fun. And what's really awesome is they have like accessories, designer handbags, designer shoes and jackets, and all these different things. Seriously, a gold mine. And for all of my fellow treasure hunters out there, I highly suggest you check it out. You can go on ahead and click the link below in the description box. And happy thrifting. I feel like it's Christmas. Every time I get a package, I don't know about you guys, but do you feel like it's Christmas? It is Christmas, or Hanukkah, or Kwanzaa. I got a lot of goodies, a lot. Got my butter knife. Didn't work very well. We're good. So I ordered these and totally forgot that I ordered them, so real reaction, let's go. I've been wanting a leopard coat for quite some time now. Oh my God. It's J. McLaughlin. I don't know who that is. Sarah McLaughlin, Eyes of an Angel. That's all I ever. In the eyes of an angel, fly away from here. They always have those commercials, this sad animals that need homes and need help, and they rescue. It's J. McLaughlin, not Sarah McLaughlin. But look at that. Ooh! What I specifically love about this, there's no collar, there's no, and I'm okay with that. The buttons are attached at the center, and it's just so soft and so, I'm very excited. So you guys know I don't really have any designer pieces. If I have anything, they're probably like vintage, Dooney and Bourke, something that's like gifted. But they have a lot of designer pieces on their Goodwill eBay store, and I'm very pumped. Gianni Versace, Versace, vintage Versace, Gianni Versace. This beautiful leopard number. It is sheer. Really pumped off of this beauty. You guys, this is like smooth as butter. The benefits of an oversized button-up that is vintage is that if you cuff the sleeves, it kind of gives you a very drapey arm, and just instead of just like a, where's my hand? Dead. Do you see this beautiful sheer number? Oh my goodness, like what? This would be so cute with some leather pants and a little bralette situation. You guys know that sheer is having a big moment, sleeves are having a big moment, but I specifically love the detail of the ruching and the pattern of the sheer, kind of playing with the sheer on a whole different level. Because sometimes I see some of the sheer pieces that are being sold at Urban Outfitters or all these other places, and it's like, if somebody gave me a template, I could sew that and make that for $2. You know? Whereas like, this takes work. This is a staple item hopping on the sheer trend, if you know what I mean. vintage 100% wool baby. Oh my God. Do you see how gorgeous this is? Like this beautiful collar. Vintage Christian Dior, people. This is Christian Dior. It's so incredibly soft, and look at these cute little pom-poms. Look it up, look it up. I would love this with a full cream outfit. You guys know I'm kind of into this like neutral color situation. When in doubt, just throw a monochrome look. Texture, this is what's so important. Texture, 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 people. Like you can wear this with just like beautiful slacks and some cute little pumps, maybe some espadrilles. I don't know, depends on where you live and the weather, but very cute. Can't believe I scored that. So I know there's like a really big mood trend on the cow print, but I'm gonna take a break on that because look at this suede baby. Look at this suede pencil skirt with the fringe. Oh my God. It's just so incredibly beautiful. I personally love the asymmetrical fringe detail up there as well as at the very bottom. Guys, I am living my Pocahontas dreams. Like what? Damn, SF Goodwill, I see you, I see you. And if that wasn't enough suede for ya, what really drew me to this is I really love the orange buttons. They're so cute and very 70s. I don't know if it is 70s, but I'm very, very into it. So I'm really excited to wear this with that, with a cute little bralette, and it's like, who is she? Who is she? Walking down the street, maybe even wear some suede boots. I think I donated my other suede boots. We'll figure a way. We'll figure a way to make it work. Really excited about these elevated pieces right now. And then another vintage leather matrix jacket. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at that. Put on those little glasses, and I'm Keanu Reeves from the Matrix. Who are ya, Keanu Reeves? Are we still in the simulation? So pumped off of this. I've been wanting like an early 2000s leather jacket. What I really love about this is the shoulder pads. I do have other leather jackets, but to be honest, the leather is just so worn down. And I just feel like I'm a grown woman now. I'm a grown woman, and it's time, if I can, to invest on good products. And I mean that even with thrifting. I've always been such a frugal person, but I think that now it's time for me to treat myself and be more conscious about what I'm spending and whether or not that piece speaks to me. And this speaks to me. I love it. I love it. I also really love the fact that it does have a little strap so you can tie it around your waist and feel like a snatched little chick. They also have accessories. I personally really love this bad boy. It reminds me so much of a slinky. I just feel like it's just such a beautiful art piece. I don't really wear bracelets that much anymore, but I think that it's time that I do. All of the bracelets that I used to wear were my mom's vintage bangles, but look at me, moving up. This acrylic baby. I don't know if it's acrylic, but it's just a nice little cuff bangle. Really excited to wear this. Ha, ha, ha. I originally got it just so I could pair it like that. Look at me, a hand model. I'm a hand model. Okay, I'm done. Isn't she gorgeous? Like, look at that. I'm talking about a vintage art piece. Like, this is gorgeous. Thinking like wearing this with my leather jacket and a bralette, then like an elevated Keanu. Elevated Keanu. All right guys, that wraps up this thrift haul slash unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't yet, go on ahead and click that subscribe button. I'd love for you to join the HellaJam family and leave a comment below with your favorite pieces, where your favorite Goodwill is, and what you love thrifting. Like, what's your go-to thrift spot? So many questions. I wanna know everything about you. Leave a comment below. All right, peace.
Okay, you picking up those?
Yeah.
Okay, do you wanna bring him here?
Sorry, I'm shooting a video right now.
Oh,